You know those perfectly polished AI videos? Well, let me tell you, they don't always start that way. After putting together our last video, I ran into some classic AI video production headaches. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain to share the exact problems I faced, especially with Fliki and text-to-speech, and more importantly, how I solved them. My first major hurdle was script segmentation. I wrote my video script with 7 clear, distinct sections, thinking Fliki would just understand. But when I pasted my carefully crafted dialogue, it exploded into 18 separate little blocks. It completely ignored my intended structure. The fix was surprisingly simple once I figured it out. Fliki needed explicit instructions. I learned that the AI had a hard time figuring out what to do with things like bullet points and numbered lists. The dialogue had to be structured in a more verbal format to allow the AI to transition between the different points being made. If you're doing a numbered list, use the word first instead of the number 1. This forced Fliki to respect my structural boundaries. Next up, the AI voice itself. In a few spots, the phrasing sounded like one continuous word. The AI didn't add a natural pause after the colon, making it sound robotic and rushed. This happens often with text-to-speech. AI struggles with subtle human pacing. To fix this, I had to be more explicit with the AI. My go-to solutions included using ellipses or dashes. An ellipsis, which is represented by 3 periods, was very effective. These ellipses force a short natural pause. Another method was simply using a full stop, represented by a simple period which creates a clearer and slightly more definitive break. For ultimate control, I could have also used Fliki's dedicated pause or silence feature if I wanted a very specific duration. Although the punctuation tricks were often enough, these tiny tweaks made a massive difference in how natural Lucy's voice sounded. So, what did I learn from these production woes? First, AI tools need specificity. Don't assume the AI understands your implied structure or natural human pauses. You often need to be overly explicit. Second, formatting truly matters. How you input your text directly impacts the AI's output, especially with text-to-speech segmentation and pacing. Third, experiment with punctuation. Simple changes to commas, ellipses, and periods are powerful tools for controlling AI voice rhythm. And finally, always expect iteration. Creating with AI isn't a one-and-done process. Be prepared to tweak, refine, and troubleshoot. It's truly part of the creative journey. These aren't just Fliki problems. They're common across many AI content creation platforms. Knowing these little tricks will save you from a lot of headaches later on. So there you have it, a peek behind the scenes of AI video creation. Have you encountered similar issues with Fliki or other AI tools? What are your go-to fixes? Drop your tips in the comments below. If this video saved you some frustration, hit that like button and subscribe to Exploring the AI Frontier for more insights into the ever-evolving world of AI.